got a customer states has been sitting a long time. Let's get it started. It is a PB-580T from Echo. But I'm going to take a look at it and let's dive into it. So first thing I notice, this is not too terrible for Florida, but we got some gunk up inside that gas tank, and this pole starter has seen better days. All right, second sign of no air filter, and if you can see inside there, oof. So we're gonna need to definitely pull that spark plug, look down that cylinder. All right, now we're back up on the fancy stand. Let's pull this plug. Phew. Yeah, that ain't looking so hot either. That's pretty burnt up. Wow. Surprisingly, the piston is nowhere near as bad as I was expecting it to. But I'm going to pull this filter housing off, give that a whole clean. I also noticed, I don't know if you can tell, but there's definitely some sort of like aftermarket gasket material right here. I've seen these a lot on like some of the OEM pieces, but this is just like a giant piece of gasket material. Obviously someone just put some holes on, stuck it in there. But all right, I'm gonna do a whole tear of this carb and this air box out. Check the cylinder, everything looked pretty decent, but I just want to make sure we're even getting spark from this thing. So I'm gonna just check. Yeah, I'm not seeing any. All right, so I went and grabbed another spark plug. I just want to confirm it's not just the plug that didn't have spark. Okay, so it's just the plug, didn't have spark. So we've got spark, that's good. All right, now that I've got the carb removed, here's that fancy gasket I was talking about. That's quite incredible. But start breaking this thing down, see if we can find anything. All right, so it seemed like everybody in this entire town decided they wanted to call me and drop off some pieces of equipment for repair, which is awesome. Let me get back to this video. So, got the car back on, air filter box cleaned out. All right, let's try this one more time. I thought I had primed it. I had not primed it. All right. Okay, got fuel. All right, let's try this again. Check the plug, everything's good. I noticed was my spark plug boot wasn't on very well. Definitely it's dry rotted, it's all jacked up. I think the little clip piece inside there is just kind of rolling around in there. So I'm gonna put that back together, right? But she's on there now. Giving it a couple pulls. All right, she's a runner. Get this thing all plugged up and finish the rest of the service and on to the next one.